Hi dear Scorpios, how are you guys doing? So a very good morning to you guys. So this is a general love reading for the Scorpios, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 1st of May till 10th of May. So take it how it resonates with you. So this is a general love reading. Keep this in mind. So it will resonate with you or might not. So let's tap into your partner's energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and the outcome from their side, or what to expect from their side, and one card from the Love Oracle deck as an advice. You can say, okay. So your partner's current energy, Scorpio. Your partner's current energy is Three of Swords. Deeply hurt. Deeply hurt. Your partner is deeply hurt. They are heartbroken over something that happened between you guys. They are sad and they're trying to heal from the situation. Okay, they are just trying to heal from the situation and start all over again. So I feel like this person is very hurt right now. They are very sad. They are going through lots of emotional losses in their life, and they are like they're feeling like hell. They're feeling like they're going through hell right now. Let's clarify the Three of Swords as their current energy. I feel like this person is very sad, very deeply hurt about something in their life. Let's clarify the Three of Swords. Okay. So Six of Wands, Queen of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. I feel like this person was seeing you some kind of victory and some kind of potential in this relationship. They were feeling like this is a stable relationship. They were very clear about this thing. They were very clear about that. Yes, you are a stable person for them. There will be a beautiful family with you. There will be a brand new beginning in this relationship. There will be a stability in this relationship overall. They were expecting this relationship to work out, to be very honest. They were very clear about their intentions to give you some kind of commitment offer or some kind of marriage offer, and that is why they are heartbroken, because these dreams shattered. So I feel like these feelings of theirs shattered in between, and they are feeling heartbroken over this thing. Okay, that is why they are heartbroken, because their dreams of coming towards you and becoming a family are not completed. They are completely shattered right now. That is what is happening. Okay, so Scorpio, let's see what your current energy is. Keep this in mind. This is from 1st of May till 10th of May. If you are currently not feeling this, you will eventually feel this. I feel like that, because this is a predictive reading. Okay, so your energy, wow, Eight of Pentacles. You are working on your pentacles. You are working on yourself. You are working on your money, your finances, your own stability. You are just focused on yourself right now. This is a very beautiful energy, Scorpio. Once you are focused on yourself, the other person becomes mad. I feel like that. Okay. So I know that you are working on yourself. You are just focusing on yourself. You are working on your business, your money. You are planning for your own future. Okay, this is a very beautiful energy. That is what you are focused on right now, because deep down I feel like you're also hurt, and that is why you are shifting all your focus on your work right now, on your business right now. Okay, so let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles. King of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, and Page of Wands. I told you, you are focused on your money, your work, because this is teamwork. So you are focused on your money, you are focused on your pentacles, your business. This is the work card. You might be making a team, or you might be working in a team or a group of people, and this is a brand new start. This is just like an idea that developed in your mind, or you just started a job or a business or something. This is some kind of shift in your personality, that you are doing fine in your life now. You are feeling, yes, I can do anything. I am focused on myself now. This is a very beautiful feeling. You are working on some kind of new projects, maybe, or new job or new business idea. Whatever it is very beautiful, Scorpio. Okay, so let's see what their feelings are for you. Their feelings for you, Scorpio, right now are, or is the Star. Very hopeful. They are very hopeful. Still, they are very hopeful and positive about this particular connection, that eventually things will work out. Eventually things will be okay. Eventually you guys will be together, and this relationship will work out. Okay, they are very hopeful, because the Star is the card of hope, of positivity, and of you. This is kind of some kind of healing as well. They are healing through this pain, and they are now again they are hopeful about this particular relationship. They are not losing hope, Scorpio, at all. So let's clarify the star. Let's clarify the star. The Empress, Six of Cups, and the King of Cups. Yes, because in their eyes you are the star, you are the diva, or you are the hero, or you are like their apple of their eye. They see you as very very creative and beautiful person. They feel like you are a mini celebrity to them, and they have a past life connection with them, or you guys have a very very sweet memories, past history, past there's something that is attached to your past that is not allowing them to let you go, and because they are feeling lots of love for you, they have lots of feelings for you, lots of beautiful feelings for you, and that is why they are very very hopeful that their love will eventually change your emotions. Okay, so that is why they are feeling like yes, there is hope in this relationship will work out, no need to worry. But right now they are very very heartbroken. Okay, let's see, they are very very, they are feeling very beautiful positive thoughts. Nice. So, what they want from this particular connection, what they want from this particular connection, Four of Pentacles. I feel like they want control. They want to control each and everything. They want to control their emotions. They want to control the situation. They want to control what is happening in their overall world. So basically, they are just trying to control everything. Or another way of saying it, they want to release the control. They want you to release this holding back. They feel like you also love them. You also have emotions for them. All they want from you is to open up a bit and talk to them honestly. Okay, conversate with them. So let's clarify the four of Pentacles, or they want to control everything. There's between the two things. Either they want you to open up, or they want you to, or they want to control each and everything that is happening, and that is not possible at all, Scorpio. You can't control everything, right? You know it. So let's clarify the Four of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, they want, they want. Let me laugh first. So they felt like you left them in the cold, and you left them hanging somewhere, and that is why they are in this meditation phase right now. They are contemplating everything, analyzing everything, and they are feeling like you are the stable person, you are the one for them. Basically they are stuck on you. Basically they are just stuck on you. Even though I feel like this person did wrong to you, they are feeling like you also did something wrong to them. You left them hanging, you left them in between, or you left them like after committing to them you left them. There's some shitty thoughts going on in their mind, but they want to tell you that you also did something wrong to them. But they are not able to tell you this, because I feel like this person is at fault right now, and they are not, opening up to you that much that they should be. They are going through lots of healing process right now. They're just going through healing. They are just because Three of Swords is healing, and Four of Swords is healing, the Star is healing. They are healing from some kind of trauma. Might be they are in some kind of emotional trauma right now, and they are just healing from that. Okay, they want you to open up a bit, and they want to control each and everything, and that is not possible. What to expect from this person till 10th of May? King of Pentacles. They will try on you, they will hit on you again, and they will try to offer you something solid again, a commitment or marriage offer again. They are trying to get you back, Scorpio. They will eventually talk to you and tell you that they want this commitment, they want to give you some kind of solid offer, commitment offer, and love offer. Let's clarify the King of Pentacles as the outcome. This is what to expect from this person. King of Pentacles, a solid commitment offer coming towards you. They will try again and again and again till you say yes. The Emperor, the Page of Cups, and the High Priestess. Yes. The Emperor is like adamant energy. They have made their mind that they have lots of feelings for you. They are developing new feelings for you. They want to convey this message to you that now they are listening to their intuition. Now they are ready to do whatever you want them to do. And now they want to offer you this solid commitment offer. or proposal of love. Okay, so Scorpio, this is something very beautiful coming towards you, but I feel like you broke this person's heart and they are right now feeling lost and missing you. Bottom of the deck is like Five of Cups. They are missing you very very much. They are heartbroken over you. They are missing you. They will try their best again and again till you say yes. So one of my friend is Scorpio, and she is dealing with the same thing. I feel like I'm doing this reading for that girl only, but no, this is for all of you, the all of the Scorpios out there. Blah. After four readings, this is what I'm feeling like. So let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck. Love Oracle deck for Scorpios. The Snake. Ouch. There's some kind of malicious feelings this person is having towards you. Competition, clever, malicious, look over shoulder. This is what is happening, Scorpio. The snake energy is there. So I feel like from 1st of May till 10th of May, look for people who are trying to be very very good with you, because I feel like they have some kind of negative feelings for you, or they're jealous of you, or they're trying to harm you emotionally. So you have to look over this. Okay, so I feel like this person is coming back towards you again and again and again till you say yes. But now this is your free will, if you want to say yes to them or no to them. This is, you know better, right? So thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for listening. This is Anjali Tarot. Namaste. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.